How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you delete photos from Google Photos without removing from the iPhone. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open Google Photos on your iPhone. After you open Google Photos, simply you have to tap and hold the photo you want to remove from the Google Photos. You can select the multiple photos if you need it. After you select those photos that are back off in your Google Photos, you can get the option for Move to Trash. Simply tap on Trash icon and confirm that. Right now I'm not getting that option because my backup is off. After that, your photos will be deleted from the Google Photos that are backed up, and you can as usual get it from the iPhone's gallery. That will not remove from the iPhone gallery. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.